Hi, this is Anahit. Welcome back to EnglishAnahit. I have decided to talk about one English point about get used to. I promise you are going to learn every single point about it, so don't miss this video. First of all, what is get used to? Whenever you use get used to, you want to say that you are becoming familiar with something, somebody, a situation. It can be followed by a noun, a pronoun, a verb. But what kind of pronoun, what kind of, or what form of a verb? It is used in different tenses: present, past, future, and even with modals. And I'm going to teach all of them right now. Simple present and used to. We have one example here. New employees get used to rules. I told you after get used to, you can use a noun, and rules is a noun here, and it is a plural noun. Then I said, instead of noun, you can use a pronoun. I have two pronouns here, they, them. It is a subject pronoun, but can I use a subject pronoun after get used to? Absolutely not, because rules, no subject. So they is out, you use them. I mean, after get used to, you can use a noun and an object pronoun. How about verb? What form of verb must be used here? How about verb form? Again, new employees get used to rules. I want to add one verb here. That verb is follow. But which form is okay? Follow or following? You can use obey or obeying. Which one is true? Here, you have get used to. You cannot use base form of a verb here. You must use ing form. So, new employees get used to following rules. Get used to ing. How about present? You know, in this tense, you need. So, which one is correct? Max, his new car. Here, I have ing, I have ing. Which one is correct? Can I say this? Can I add ing to use? I say gets using to? Absolutely not. It is totally wrong. So you use this one. Max is getting used to his new car, and his new car is a noun. How about pronoun? What is the pronoun here? I told you you need an object pronoun. And new car is a singular noun, and it is a thing. So what should I use? It's if. You are going to use a pronoun here. Max is getting used to his new car, or Max is getting used to it. Now, we'd like to add one verb. The form of verb. Max is getting used to his new car. Your verb is drive. Again, you have get used to. No matter, we have ing here. The rule is that. Driving. So again, drive. No. You use driving. Max is getting used to driving his new car. Present perfect. Have, has, plus past participle form of a verb. She, coffee. Here I have has. Can I say used to? She has used to coffee? No, you cannot. Your verb is get, got, gotten. She has gotten used to coffee. The object pronoun and the verb. Okay, here we say coffee as a singular noun. So if you want to use an object pronoun, it would be it. How about the verb? Here you say it is present perfect, so can I say has gotten used to, has drunk? No, you cannot. Here you have to use this. She has gotten used to drinking coffee. Gotten used to drinking. Simple past. We, our new apartment. Which one? Get used to? Absolutely not. It is present, not past. So, get us out. Got used to? No, because it is past participle form of get. So, got used to is the correct answer because past form of get as got. So I say we got used to our new apartment. How about the pronoun? Again, our new apartment is a thing, it is singular, so you have to use it instead. And the verb form. How about the form of the verb after get used to when it changes to got used to in simple past? The verb ing, ed, or base form. Let's listen. We got used to in our new apartment. Got used to. That's past. Can I use live? No. Got used to, base form, no. Can I say lived because it is got used to, so I use past form of verb? No. This is the only correct answer. We got used to living in our new apartment. Now, this one. He, his girlfriend, all of them have ing, but which one? Can I say getting used to? No. You know that in this tense you have was, were, plus verb plus ing. So where is was? It is out. I have was, ing, ing. It is impossible to add ing to used to. So again is out. You need to say he was getting used to his girlfriend. If I want to change this to an object pronoun, girlfriend is a girl, female. So object pronoun is her. Can say he was getting used to her. Let's learn about verb form. He was getting used to his girlfriend. Your verb is go out. But can I say go out? Here, if it was just he, for example, used to go out, it was okay. But here you have getting. Go out is out. Can I say went out? It is past form. No, you cannot. Again, you need this. He was getting used to going out with his girlfriend or with her. Past perfect. They, their classmates before they moved here. You know, past perfect is had plus past participle form of verb. But can I say had used to? No, you cannot. Your verb is get and changes to gotten. Had gotten used to. Had plus past participle form of a verb. So they had gotten used to their classmates before they moved here. Again, if you wanna use an object, it is object pronoun, and because it is a plural noun, it would be them. Verb form and past perfect tense. They had gotten used to with their classmates before they moved here. Here said it is past perfect. So again, can I use past perfect here? I say they had got used to, had played. No, you cannot. You have to choose this. You have get. They had got used to playing with their classmates before they moved here. Will. You, your dogs. Here you say, okay, I have will. So here can I say it is will, it's base form. Then I say will used to. No. Will get used to. You will get used to your dogs. How about pronoun? There's plural noun, so them. What is verb form? You'll get used to your dogs for a walk. Here I have a will, so will take. No, you cannot. Because you have will, you have base form. No. Here you have get used to. Get used to. ing. You will get used to taking your dogs for a walk. Future perfect. Will have plus past participle form of a verb. They, the new office in 1 month. Here you have will, you have. Will have. So which one? Here I say will have. Get used to? No, because it is not past participle. So no. Will have used to? No, we cannot say, for example, will have, then add used to. It is out. Will have got used to. They will have got used to the new office in 1 month. And again, if you want to use a pronoun, object pronoun of it. Verb form in future perfect. They will have got used to the new office in 1 month. Here you say, because it is will have, can I say will have worked? No. Can I use base form here? No. You have gotten used to working. They will have gotten used to working in the new office